In this video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze form submission data in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over here into your HubSpot dashboard and click on Marketing, then locate the option for Forms. Once you're in there, you should be able to see all the forms that you have available. So here are the forms that I have. Once we're in there, you just need to click on the form that you want to analyze. For example, on my case, let's head over and then choose right here this one. Now, just click onto this. You can also click on actions and you can view its submission. And in here, you can also see the details as well as the tabs right here. So click on this view submissions. Once we're there, you can head over and click on action. And then you can actually select this campaign. And then you can see this analyze option. And using this option, it will help you analyze the actual options or the answers for this particular form. You can review metrics like submission count, conversion rate, and you can use filters to segment data by date. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.